Let's talk a little bit more about standard form. Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. And a, b, and c, these are all just numbers. So just like we were doing in the past, it's going to include the x and the y, and then these will be actual numbers. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to convert from standard form to our slope-intercept form. Remember that is, we want to go to y equals mx plus b. We want to get there. We want to go from this to here. 2 easy steps. We're going to move the ax to the right side. Remember, we're going to change our sign. And then we're going to divide by b. We're going to divide each term by b. So let me show you what that means. We're in standard form, and you know we're in standard form because we've got the x and y on the left-hand side. The slope-intercept form has y on one side by itself. So if you see x and y on the left-hand side, then that means that you are in standard form and you need to convert it. So we're going to move the ax. So it says change the sign. That means this is a plus 5x or a positive 5x. So I'm going to subtract 5x from this side and subtract it from this side. What I'm left with is y equals minus 5x plus 7. When you rewrite this side, put the x value first, because then it will look more like our slope-intercept form. So then now I would divide each term by b. In this case, I don't have a b. Okay, let's do that again. And I should have done this before. I'm going to label a. And this one is b. And this one is c. So I actually want to, out to the side, a here is 1. When there's not a number, it's an understood 1. B here is negative 6, and C is negative 12. All right, so I'm moving this x, so I'm subtracting x because it's a positive, and I'm left over here with minus 6y equals minus x minus 12. So that was step 1. This time I have that b, so now I need to divide each term by that b. So I'm going to divide this by negative 6, this one by negative 6, and this one separately by negative 6. Each term, remember, is separated by a plus or minus sign. So that's why we're dividing this by negative 6, and this separately by negative 6. So then what I'm left with over here is just y. And then I have negative 1 divided by negative 6. So that is 16x. And I have negative 12 divided by negative 6, and that is positive 2. And this is it converted. All right, let's try that again. Again, we're going to label it this time. A equals 11. B equals 4. C equals 10. Move my ax first. So I'm going to subtract again because it's a positive 11x. Subtract it from this side of the equal sign. 4y equals negative 11x plus 10. Now I got to divide by that b, which is 4. Divide this by 4, this one separately by 4, and this one separately by 4. Left with y equals negative 11 over 4x plus 5 over 2. I told you I wanted these fractions to be left and don't give me a decimal number. So if you don't remember how to reduce your fraction, your calculator will do it for you. I got 10 divided by 4 on my calculator and it spits out 5 over 2. That is the reduced fraction for 10 over 4. So this is my slope-intercept form. All right, one more time. We've got 3x plus 4y equals 8. Minus 3x from both sides. 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. Then I need to divide by that 4. Over here, divide the x by 4 and the 8 by 4. So I'm left with y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 2.